Hi guys. Hey, I've got a really cool unboxing for you today. It's actually kind of a re-unboxing because a very dear friend of mine to the channel had asked me if I had one of these, and I said no. So he sent it to me, and this is number 2992 out of 5,000. It's been ran twice, so just a little dusty, no big deal. But man, these little guys, back when I was a kid, I think this was like the first, um, the 10 scale was like the first off road monster truck racing, truck, etc. kind of thing. And this is just a 16 scale version of that. But man, this thing is cool. It's even got the numbers um, into the metal motor mount plate. It's got the uh, edition number of it. Very cool. Um, but yeah, it just very, very neat. Um, they've got the JRT truck, uh, JRxT, and then they also had the buggy version, which I may be wrong, but I don't think that's a limited edition on the buggy like it is on the truck. But either way, I got this. Man, this is just cool. Like I said, she's just a little bit dirty, but not a big deal. Here's your standard Spectrum radio. They fit, the hand pretty good actually for, driving one-handed if filming or something like that. And there's the truck. And man, like I said, it's just cool. The knobby tires on it, and then the big groove tires for the front. It's got aluminum shocks, front and rear. Got your front, skid plate slash motor mount, or not motor mount, body mount, but just very cool looking. It's got kind of that old Toyota Iron Man Ivan Stewart kind of look to it. It's got bearings, as far as I can tell, throughout. It's got kind of a cool little motor plug too. Kind of a neat little setup. And then it's got the battery, which is just a let me try to do this without taking the body off. I'm gonna take the body off to show you guys, which is no big deal. Except if I drop the clips, then it's a big deal. But now your basic nice white body inside. And then yeah, your battery, it comes just a 650 2S. So, plenty of battery from what I've seen on the videos of this thing. I like the trailing arm suspension on it. That's kind of rare. You don't see that much anymore. Servo. Got a good servo. I mean, overall, this thing is just a really neat little version of the bigger thing. I mean, the bigger one is pretty much identical from what I've seen. Clear motor case, gear case cover, I mean. Kind of cool. But, yeah, I tell you, it's neat, man. I'm glad I got it. It's a very cool little truck, and I'm going to definitely have some fun with it. Yeah, it's limited edition, but, you know, I mean, there again, I mean, there's no shelf queens here unless they're model car kits or model airplane kits that I build that aren't RC in the first place. So I'm going to definitely drive it, but I'm not going to drive it hard, but I'll drive it. You know, I want to keep the body from getting scuffed up and all that kind of stuff, but, you know, I'm not going to take it out and beat on it or jump it off of things, you know, too awful high or anything like that. So, you know, maybe a little bit on the track, but that's about it. But anyway, guys, yeah, very cool. I'm definitely glad that my friend sent this to me, and I definitely appreciate it. You know, that's the thing, you know, I've said it before, but this community, you know, between the model aviation, the model cars, the plastic model guys, I mean, I've really, you know, I'm just honored to have so many awesome friends, and you know, that have you know, I'd never have without this YouTube channel. You know, this YouTube channel has really, you know, made things where that, you know, there again, I can have cars like this sent to me. I can, you know, look at all the cool model kits and stuff, and just, you know, the biggest thing is just, you know, friendships. I mean, man, the friendships with you guys, that means most right there, you know. We're all just pretty much, you know, man children that love to play with our RC stuff. And, you know, if it wasn't for this hobby, I have no idea where I'd be. So, I just want to thank each and every one of you guys that watch and comment and share and, you know, send me stuff. And, you know, I just appreciate each and every one of you guys so much. So, anyway, guys, I will let you go, and I will do a running video on this thing here shortly. Take care, guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.